Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Outlook with new account security settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Locate and click on the File tab in the upper left corner. In the menu that appears, select Account Settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings again. In the Account Settings window, select the account you want to update. Click on the Change button located above the list of accounts. Next, you'll see the Change Account window. Look for the More Settings button and click on it. In the new window, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you can adjust various security settings for your email account. If you want to enable two-factor authentication, go to the account's security settings online. Log into your email account in your web browser. Find the option for two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to enable it. Back in Outlook, return to the More Settings window. Ensure the Always Prompt for Logon Credentials option is checked if desired. Click OK to close the More Settings window. Then, click Next in the Change Account window. Outlook will test the account settings to ensure everything works correctly. Once the test completes successfully, click Finish. Finally, click Close in the Account Settings window to save your changes. Your Microsoft Outlook is now updated with the new account security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.